everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I've had to get a job, manual labour. What can I say? It's been a while since I've done a video. So this video is basically a catch-up video on how the head unit, the Eonon unit, has been going in terms of whether it's functioned properly for the entire time I've had it and whatnot. Various people on the interballs have been complaining about the unit itself not working very well at all, having loads of different issues. Everybody's having different problems with it, which was a bit disconcerting when I first put it in, because I was having no issues whatsoever with the unit and everyone was telling me that they were having issues. And then over a period of like a month, I think it was, little issues started to appear. So the first thing that happened was the Bluetooth connection when I was playing music from my phone to the head unit. The head unit would control the phone through Bluetooth. It would keep stopping the track and I'd have to keep pressing play. Also, the play button never switched to a pause button, you know, like it does when you press play on your media players. And the cutting off of the audio, it wasn't cutting it off, it was just stopping play of the music. And it was proper pissing me off, and I reset my phone, I reset the unit, nothing seemed to work. It just keeps dropping the music off for some reason, keeps turning it off. The phone, Bluetooth phone functionality in terms of phone calls and stuff, that all works fine still. So that was my first issue. A second little bit of issue, which I've only had it happen once and it's never happened again, was the UI went a bit skew-if. It would start flashing and then there was like lines across the screen like it was having a fit. And it basically did that for most of the day, but I hadn't turned it off and on, so it just kept continually doing it. So once I turned it off and turned it back on, it was fine. Third issue I had was again a UI issue when I'd started the car up. Got about halfway down the road, hello, and the UI just froze completely. Screen went blank, nothing on the screen. Again, turned it off, turned the ignition off, turned the ignition back on. It worked fine. So there's obviously little gripes with the software. I think it is. I don't think it's hardware based. I just think it's a bit of a glitch with the actual software that they've got for this thing. And fingers crossed, they're watching the video, and hopefully they'll try and fix it with a firmware update. I'm not sure if there is one for this particular unit just yet. I will have to get in touch with Eonon to find out whether there is or not, and see what that firmware issue update actually fixes, if anything. I was trying to remember what other people were having. Other people were having trouble with things like the front speakers not working, for starters. I'm waiting for them to get back to us though, because they said that the front speakers weren't working, but I said to put the old unit back in just to make sure that they do work in the first place, and then put the unit back in to make sure. Other people have had trouble with the Bluetooth stuff as well. They've also had trouble with the unit freezing a lot. Sat nav not really working very well. In general, the system was running really slowly. Again, this is all, I think this can all be fixed with the software update. It sounds like there's some sort of conflicts going on, slowing the machine right down, obviously, and the UI just becomes, you know, useless basically. So that's basically it. It's only a short video, this. I just wanted to get something out there so you can all have something to watch. I have got some more videos coming, don't worry. I haven't given up just yet. I've got a biggish video coming. It's more of a reveal thing than anything else, and a tutorial. And well, I'm always doing tutorials, aren't I? Because I'm always fixing something. Well, something has gone on the car, as per normal. And I'll make a vid on that one as soon as I get the part. Other than that, yeah, the car's running sweet. I'm yet to do a take you for a drive video. And the reason why I don't want to do that is because the thing that's broken won't allow me to do what I want to do in the video. So until that's fixed, I can't really do it. But as soon as it is done, I'll do a separate video with us. You know, I'll take you all for a little drive in the mobile and show you what she's about and stuff like that. So until the next video, I shall bid you farewell. Hopefully you've got some heads up on the Eonon unit now that it works perfectly fine and it looks great in the car. It's a great looking unit. When it works, it's brilliant. But Eonon need to get busy with the old firmware updates so we can you know, eliminate these stupid little bugs that they've got in the actual system. If you've had this unit put in and you've got any issues that were different than the ones I've mentioned, lash them in the comments. Please put them in the comments, and then we can get Eonon to have a look in the comments and they can see what's going on. And fingers crossed they'll reply and try and help us all out with whatever's wrong with it. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and hit the likey button for the vid, so I can you know, get YouTube to recognise me more. I sound like a repeating parrot every time I do a vid. I've got to say this stuff because I don't know. I don't feel like the channel's actually going anywhere at the minute. Probably because of lack of content. Probably. If there's anything particular content-wise that you'd like to see from the channel, again, pop it in the comments and we'll see what we can do. So until next time, bye for now.